Hey families, I'm going to walk you through how to do your homework today. This time I opened up a Spanish page just to help those families out. Your buttons are in the same spot, just in English if you're an English speaking family. So to get to your math homework, you're going to click on math and you will click on the week. This is the 17th through the 21st. You'll click right here. And then you're going to click. The first one to do is the scoring with addition. This is your Florida Virtual Schools module for the week. It's pretty simple, just listening and reading, solving a few problems, playing a couple games. So you'll listen and then you'll keep going through. Keep going through, listen, you'll solve the word problem, listen to the video. And then you'll solve this problem. You're going to go through all the steps, learning how to count on. See the answer, same thing here. It's like a little quiz. It's got 4 questions. They're going to do counting on to solve it. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Click 11. It'll tell you you're right. You'll go to the next one. There's 4. And then you're going to do a little game here. It's a matching game. So you'll click on the equation and then the answer that matches. So 10 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And so you'll find 14 and it will reveal part of the picture. And you do that with all of them until you can see the whole picture. This assignment that's linked on this next page, you do not have to do this. If you would like to in your workbook, you can find the one that matches and you can do it, but I am not requiring it. Instead, I have some other homework assignments for you to do. So you'll go back to the week. There's a little counting test here, just a little quiz. It's going to show up as unavailable, but I will make it available very soon. And then there's a counting assignment. So this is where things are a little bit different. You will have to have a Gmail to access these assignments and 2 for reading this week. We will do these every week. It is well worth your time to go ahead and make a Gmail if you don't already have one. You can log in through your parent Gmail. I know like 16 families in our class already have a Gmail, so great. You'll just log in there, you'll click on it, and it will pop up like this. And you'll click on My Document right here, Mi Documento, My Document. And you will click Connect and you will sign in with a Google email. Once that happens, you'll see a screen that looks like this. And all you'll do for this one is you'll follow the instructions. So how many cats do you see? Type the number. You'll click in the text box and you'll type in a 4. Go to the next one, same thing. And then it's kind of down here. You just type in the missing number. So what number is missing from the counting sequence? If your child does not have the correct answer, please type in what they tell you to. It lets me know where they are. This is not graded. Don't worry about it. But please be accurate with what they tell you. I know all of you can count. I want to know which kids can count. And then you'll go back to Schoology and you will click Submit. You have to click Submit when you are done editing, or I will not be able to see what your child did. That's After you click Submit, I'm going to show you your last part of your math homework. So you have to click Submit again, or it will not show up. You'll do all that work for nothing. You'll go back to Math, and then you will click on the week, and this is your last one, adding with pictures. Same thing. Once you sign in, you'll click My Documents. Once you sign in with your Gmail, you shouldn't have to sign in again. So it should open right up and you're going to click on the edit so you can see it. You'll have to click Submit. This is what this one looks like. We actually did it in class today, part of it, and we're going to do part of it tomorrow. So it's just going to be counting the pictures, seeing what 4 plus 3 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you'll type 7 in the box. You'll do that for all of these. And then this is a counting on one. So they'll start with 7 and add 1 more, 8. Start with 4, 6. Type it in the box. So it's that simple. It's just 6 quick little questions. So this is math homework for the week, and I'm going to show you reading. You only have this reading homework if you're in Miss Jordan's reading class. Again, I'm going to remind you to please click submit when you are done so I can see what your child did. So we're going to go to our reading page. Click on the folder of the week. And remember, reading homework is always in a homework folder. Here are books and videos we're doing this week. These are really great to just watch and go back and see. So this week's reading homework, again, I'm going to be assigning more homework now because they are only in classes for about 3 hours a day, and they really need that full time period. So there's about an hour or so of homework to do each day, 20 minutes to an hour. So you have 2 Florida Virtual Schools modules. I'm not assigning the homework that goes with it or the test that goes with it. I just want you to do the module. This one is about asking questions, which is a skill that we're working on right now. And so this is about, you're going to be listening to the story, asking questions. You're going to record yourself singing like the animal, very silly. Watch the video. This one is longer, it has 15 pages. So this is going to take a little while. This is a great thing for you to do just for one day's homework. And then you're going to go back and there's another module, Chris and the Crosswalk. This is about answering questions. Again, it's a little longer. There's some phonics. You just follow the activities, like match the lowercase and uppercase letters, reveal the picture. You do not have to turn anything in for this, but it is really great for your child to do. It's extra class at home for them. And so here are some more. These should not take very long. These are, again, the Google Drives. So you're going to click on it, click My Documents. You should already be signed in by Google if you've already done your math homework. And it will open up to a page like this. We did this in class today. And you're going to drag the picture that matches or drag the letter that matches into the box. Come back and click Submit. And I will be able to see your work. So going back, these last couple homeworks, these are 2 retells. So I'm not going to show these to you quite yet, but all they're going to do for these, same thing, open it up, edit it. There's 3 pictures for the book. These are not visible yet. These will be visible after we read the story, and all your child has to do is drag the pictures in order. So which picture came first, which one came second, and which one came last in the book to retell the story. This should take 30 seconds. They're very easy, and it's just to practice retelling. You can also encourage them to retell the story to you out loud. And then we have a flip grid this week about Amazing Grace. There's also going to be one about The Invisible Boy. These are, again, super easy. Sign in with your Microsoft. And what you're going to do for this one is there's going to be a picture on the screen. It looks like this. And your child's going to record themselves asking a question about the story. So they could say, I wonder who are the kids in this story? I wonder what they're doing. They're just going to ask a question or 2 about what they wonder about this picture. And that is the homework for the week. They'll also have one just like this for The Invisible Boy. Those will be available on Schoology to you after we read the stories, just like the other ones for the stories. But that's all they have to do this week. Thank you for listening, and I hope that this is helpful.